So with the upcoming October 13th Apple event set to release a new iPhone 12, Apple are set to release their macOS update Big Sur, announced back in WWDC in June. Let's go over some of the main changes set for Big Sur in terms of how things are organised for Mac users. The design is the first major change, Apple bringing a vibrant new look, much like their iPad experience, with the dock and the icons being updated to reflect that. You can now see an improved dock view. The next thing that has changed is the control center, making the experience much more accessible to view changed controls like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume and more. Much more like iOS 14, notifications are much smoother with the ability to add the widgets area and control about the notifications coming in, even the ability to group them per app. And the largest change to Safari has been brought to the table, with tab previews, changes to permissions of extensions, and privacy. The macOS also has a much better battery update view, allowing you to see what apps are using the most battery. So those are the new updates to Big Sur coming very soon. Hopefully this was a useful video and a recap of what's coming next.